A passage is given here, that is, a person named Shyam visited a grocery shop and refused to accept polythene bags for his items due to government penalties. He asked the shopkeeper to use paper bags instead. The shopkeeper agreed to switch to paper bags in the future, and we need to write the values shown by Shyam. The values shown by Shyam are environmental responsibility and social awareness. He is aware of the negative impact of plastic on the environment, including the pollution and harm to wildlife, and takes action to reduce his ecological footprint. Shyam recognized the importance of supporting practices that align with government regulations and environmental sustainability efforts. His choice reflects a commitment to eco-friendly practices and a willingness to contribute to broader environmental goals. The second one is to write one structural difference between low density polyethylene and high density polyethylene. The low density polyethylene or LDPE has a highly branched polymer chain with a significant amount of short and long branches. And this LDPE has a lower density due to these branches preventing the chains from packing closely together. They are more flexible, less crystalline, and has a lower melting point. While coming to HDPE or high density polyethylene, it has a linear branched polymer chain structure and allowing the chains to pack closely together. The higher density is due to the closely packed linear chains. They are more rigid, highly crystalline, and has a higher melting point. It is commonly used for the products requiring strength and durability such as containers and pipes. The third one is, why did Shyam refuse to accept the items in polyethylene bags? The polythene bags are associated with several environmental issues including environmental pollution, wildlife harm, and government regulations. Plastic bags are non-biodegradable and can persist in the environment for hundreds of years, leading to the pollution in landfills and natural habitats. They can be harmful to wildlife as animals may ingest or become entangled in plastic waste, which can cause injury or death. Many governments have imposed penalties or restrictions on the use of plastic bags to reduce plastic waste and promote more sustainable plastics. The last one is to define the biodegradable polymer with an example. Biodegradable polymer is a type of polymer that can be broken down by the biological processes such as those involving microorganisms into simpler, non-toxic substances. This degradation process typically occurs in natural environments, reducing the environmental impact of plastic waste. A best example is polylactic acid, which is derived from renewable sources like cornstarch or sugarcane. It is used in various applications including biodegradable packaging and 3D printing filaments.